Planet Earth is packed with wonders, mysteries, and unbelievable facts that most of us have never even heard of. From the vibrant coral reefs teeming with life to the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas, our planet never ceases to amaze. From strange animals and jaw-dropping places to mind-bending natural phenomena, today we're going on an epic journey around the world. Buckle up, because by the end of this video, you'll be looking at our world in a whole new way. Here at the very bottom of our world, where temperatures plummet and icy winds howl, lies a continent shrouded in mystery, Antarctica. It's a land of extremes, a place where life clings to existence in the face of relentless cold. And it is here, at the end of the Taylor Glacier, that we find a sight that wouldn't be out of place in a science fiction film. Picture this: a cascade of water. But not just any water. For this water runs as red as blood, staining the pristine white ice with a crimson hue. This, my friends, is Blood Falls. Now before you conjure up images of some gruesome polar tragedy, I can assure you it's not actual blood. The water you see is rich in iron, and as it's forced out from the depths of the glacier, it comes into contact with the air. This contact with oxygen causes the iron to oxidize, or rust if you will, turning the water a deep, unsettling red. But the story of Blood Falls doesn't end there. In a discovery that sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community, researchers discovered something truly remarkable beneath this crimson flow, a hidden ancient ecosystem trapped beneath the glacier, living completely without sunlight or oxygen for millions of years. These microbes existing in this extreme environment challenge our very understanding of where life can exist and thrive. From the icy plains of Antarctica, we journey now to the sun-drenched landscapes of Western Australia. Here, nestled amongst dense woodland and a ring of paperbark trees, lies a sight that will make you question your very senses: Lake Hillier. Now, lakes come in many shapes and sizes, reflecting the blue of the sky or the green of surrounding vegetation. But Lake Hillier is different. This lake you see is pink, and not just a subtle, rosy hue but a vibrant, almost artificial-looking pink, like a giant strawberry milkshake someone spilled across the landscape. You might think it's a trick of the light, perhaps the way the sun reflects off the water. But no, even if you were to scoop up a jar full of this water, it would retain its bubblegum pink color. So, what's the secret behind Lake Hillier's rosy complexion? The answer lies in a unique combination of factors. The lake's waters are highly saline, even more so than seawater. And within this salty environment thrives an organism called Dunaliella salina, a type of microalgae. This algae produces carotenoid pigments, similar to what gives carrots their orange color. And it's these pigments that paint Lake Hillier in its extraordinary hues. It's a potent reminder of the sheer diversity and wonder of life on Earth. The year was 1986. The world watched in horror as the Chernobyl nuclear disaster unfolded, unleashing an invisible enemy radiation upon the landscape. The nearby city of Pripyat, once a bustling hub of human life, transformed into a ghost town, abandoned and eerily silent. In the aftermath of this tragedy, it was widely believed that the area surrounding the Chernobyl power plant had become a dead zone, a wasteland where life, as we knew it, could not exist. But nature, as it so often does, had other plans. From the ashes of this disaster, a remarkable story of resilience and adaptation has emerged. Today, the Chernobyl exclusion zone, once a symbol of human error and its devastating consequences, is now home to a thriving population of wolves. Yes, you heard that right, wolves. These aren't your average wolves, however. These are the wolves of Chernobyl, creatures that have not only survived but thrived in an environment still tainted by radiation. Studies have shown that these wolves have adapted to their radioactive surroundings, developing unique mutations in their genes that may even make them more resistant to cancer. They roam the abandoned streets of Pripyat, their howls echoing through the empty buildings, a testament to the enduring power of nature, even in the face of our greatest mistakes. Chapter 4. Our journey now takes us to the scorching heart of California's Mojave Desert, a place of extremes where temperatures soar and rainfall is but a distant memory. Here, amidst the sun-baked earth and the shimmering heat haze, lies a mystery that has baffled scientists and adventurers for decades: the enigmatic sailing stones of Death Valley. Imagine this: a vast parched lakebed, its surface cracked and dry. Scattered across this seemingly barren landscape are large rocks, some weighing hundreds of pounds. And here's where the mystery lies. These rocks move, not by any visible force, mind you, but seemingly of their own accord, leaving long meandering trails etched into the desert floor. For years, theories abounded, whispers of strange magnetic fields or perhaps mischievous spirits at play. But science, as it so often does, provided a more grounded yet no less fascinating explanation. It turns out that under very specific conditions, a rare combination of rain and freezing temperatures creates a thin layer of ice on the lakebed's surface. When the sun rises, the ice begins to melt, breaking into large, floating panels. And then, driven by gentle winds, these ice sheets, with rocks embedded in their underside, glide across the slick mud, leaving those telltale trails in their wake. It's a delicate dance between ice, wind, and rock, a testament to the subtle yet powerful forces at play in even the most seemingly desolate of environments. Chapter 5. Bioluminescent Beaches, Maldives. Imagine a night so clear, the stars blanket the sky above. Now picture yourself walking along a beach, but as you take each step, the sand beneath your feet erupts in a magical blue glow. No, it's not a scene from a fantasy film, but a very real phenomenon found on certain beaches in the Maldives, where the ocean itself seems to mirror the celestial display above. As the waves gently lap the shore, they bring with them billions of tiny organisms called dinoflagellates, a type of plankton. And these dinoflagellates possess a remarkable ability: bioluminescence. Within their microscopic bodies, a chemical reaction takes place, and like fireflies of the sea, they release energy in the form of light. The result is a breathtaking spectacle of nature. Each wave rolls in, a shimmering wave of blue illuminating the shoreline with an ethereal glow. And it's not just the waves that trigger this bioluminescence. Walk along the beach, and your footsteps will leave a trail of glowing footprints. Reach down and run your hand through the water, and watch as the disturbed dinoflagellates erupt in a cascade of blue sparks. It's an experience that blurs the line between reality and fantasy, a reminder that magic truly does exist in the natural world. Chapter 6. The Catacombs of Paris, France. From the sun-drenched beaches of the Maldives, we journey now to the heart of one of Europe's most romantic cities, Paris. But beneath the charming cafes, the Eiffel Tower's grandeur, and the Seine's gentle flow lies a secret hidden world. A world shrouded in darkness, silence, and the weight of history. This, my friends, is the world of the Paris catacombs. Imagine descending deep underground, leaving behind the bustle of the city above. As your eyes adjust to the dim light, you find yourself surrounded by walls, not of brick or stone, but of bones. Millions upon millions of bones arranged in a macabre yet strangely beautiful display. The Paris catacombs are a labyrinthine network of tunnels, stretching for miles beneath the city's streets. They were originally created in the 18th century as a solution to the city's overflowing cemeteries. Over time, the remains of more than 6 million Parisians were carefully moved and interred within these tunnels, creating an ossuary of unprecedented scale. Only a small section of the catacombs is open to the public, a glimpse into this subterranean world. But rumors abound of secret chambers, hidden passages, and vast unexplored areas, their secrets waiting to be unearthed. Chapter 7. The Forest Under the Sea, Kelp Forests. Our final destination takes us beneath the waves to a world often overlooked, but no less extraordinary: the realm of kelp forests. When we think of forests, our minds conjure up images of towering trees, sunlight filtering through canopies, and the sounds of birdsong. But beneath the ocean's surface, in the cool, clear waters of our planet's coasts, lies another kind of forest, one that rivals its terrestrial counterparts in both beauty and ecological importance. Imagine diving into the ocean depths, the sunlight fading with each passing foot. And then, as if emerging from the twilight, a forest unlike any other comes into view. Giant kelp, some species growing up to 2 feet per day, reach towards the surface, their long, leathery blades swaying gently with the current. These underwater forests provide shelter and sustenance for a staggering array of marine life. Sea otters wrap themselves in kelp fronds to prevent drifting away while they sleep. Schools of fish dart amongst the kelp blades, seeking refuge from predators. And on the forest floor, sea stars, urchins, and lobsters go about their daily business. Kelp forests are not only havens for biodiversity, but they also play a crucial role in maintaining the health of our planet. They absorb carbon dioxide from the water, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change, and their dense canopies help to buffer coastlines from storms and erosion. Outro: a world of wonder. Our world is strange, beautiful, and endlessly surprising. From pink lakes to underground cities, from glowing beaches to forests hidden below the sea, these facts show that no matter how much we know about Earth, there's still magic left to discover. If you loved these facts, smash that like button, subscribe for more mind-blowing adventures, and tell us in the comments, which fact amazed you the most? See you next time on another journey into the unknown.